banana flour.
You know, banana in Thai is glue. Can you say glue?
Glue? Glue.
Very good, glue.
Glue.
If you say wrong, could be naughty word. See this?
Yeah.
Say, they give banana already. It
Yeah.
will keep the flour. Those won't go big, fat, and healthy. So we need to cut this off. But not only cut this off.
Yeah.
This banana, if we peel, the inside will be white.
Yeah.
And we can eat them raw with pad thai. It's so good. So you have a knife.
Yeah.
You cut them.
Right here?
Yep. Banana flour. This one, not only eat them raw with pad thai, but we could also, you know, slice and fry them with tempura, like crispy one. And also add in the soup, you know, like a, you know, coconut milk soup one. Yeah, it's really good. You peel them. Let's see. Peel for fun. You can even cut them deeper.
These leaves are no good.
I know. It's rough. Until you see very white in the middle. I like to boil them, and after boil them, and I boil the chicken meat, and I riff the chicken meat, and we add like roasted chili, kalanga, lemongrass, you know, like a lang, and add mint and basil leaf in it. We can yum kai and the knot is so good, tamarind and everything. Oh, there's so many recipes you can do with this.
Well, your ability to use the nature for food here is amazing. Oh, there it is. We don't use these.
No need to. You see, this one used to look like that before. You see, keep peeling it until white.
Like...
I love to eat them with the pad thai, you know, the young inside.
Yeah.
Well, I will cut and you guys can try that. Might be weird to you, but I grown up with this, I like it. And quite expensive in the market because you don't see that often, you know.
What, this is expensive?
Yeah.
What is?
You want some milk?
Banana flour. We cut them. Those purple we call. I thought I'm gonna cut this and we can eat them raw with pad thai. It's really good with pad thai. One more peel. And maybe you can cut this part to make it easy.
May, what else do I need?
Thai basil, holy basil, pandan leaf, lemongrass.
Which one's this?
That's a Thai basil, holy basil behind.
Fat.
How am I doing?
You look great. Your basket beautiful.
Yeah.
Anything else?
Yeah. I think for now good.
Good arrangement.
Yeah, that's good. We're gonna wash them inside.
It's
That's
like
a
a
sap.
liquid.
Yeah, sap.
Sap.
Yeah, sticky.
Yeah.
Don't put it on your clothes. Hard to wash. And then we're gonna cut them in half and eat with it. But if we cut it now, it turns brown in the inside like eggplant. So when we cut it, we have to soak them with water and vinegar so to keep them stay white.
Exposure to air. It's like bananas. So now these will grow.
Not anymore. So that banana is gonna grow big and get really ripe so we can eat them. Yeah.
Amazing.
All right.
Very
so
cool. Thank you.